Welcome to SwiftCoin. In this video, we will show you how to create a personal account on SwiftCoin app. To create a personal account on SwiftCoin app, click on the Personal button. Fill out all the required entry fields, such as your email and password. If you have a referral code, please enter it here. Then, click Send to receive an email verification code. You will receive a verification OTP to activate your account. Enter the verification code you have received to complete the verification process. Now you can log in to your account. It will lead you to our dashboard, where you can see your balance and performance. Thank you for watching this tutorial and happy trading!